Ignite AI, Canvas's AI tool, can now translate discussions and announcements into multiple languages. Open the course in which you would like to translate. In the course navigation menu, scroll down to Settings. Click the link. Click Feature Options. In the search box, type in Translation. To enable Ignite AI translations for discussions and announcements, look under State. There, you will see an X inside of a circle. Click that. Click Enabled. The Ignite AI translation tool is now ready to go. You can open up your discussions. Click a discussion. Up top, you will see Enable Translation. Click that. Select a language from the drop-down menu and click Translate. That discussion has now been translated. Please note that it has only been translated for you and not for your entire class. The procedure is the same for announcements. Click Announcements. Click on a specific announcement and click Enable Translation. Select the language and click Translate. The announcement has been translated. And again, it is only translated for the user, not for the entire course.